Apple's iOS 26 public beta brings some fun updates. And one of the coolest is how you can use emojis and stickers directly from the App Store in your Messages app. This gives you way more variety than the built-in emoji keyboard. Here's how to use it. Open Messages and either tap on an existing conversation or tap the compose icon to start a new one. For this guide, let's open an existing thread. Inside the message thread, tap the plus icon on the left side of the text field. This opens a menu of multimedia options you can add to your message. Scroll through and find Store. This takes you straight to the App Store's stickers section. Here you can browse through different stickers and emoji packs. Let's pick one from the top free list for now. Once you find something you like, tap Get and follow the prompts to download and install it. When the installation is complete, the new sticker pack will automatically appear in your Messages app. Just tap Open, then you'll be taken back to the Messages app. Beneath the existing emojis are new stickers included in your recently downloaded emoji packs from the App Store. Now you can tap the sticker icon, choose your preferred emoji or sticker from the pack, type your message if you want, and tap Send. The best part is you can repeat this process to download multiple packs, so you always have fresh and unique emojis ready to use. And that's it! You've just customized your Messages experience with App Store emoji packs in iOS 26. If this tip helped you make your chats more fun, hit like and subscribe for more iPhone tricks. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos like this.